Xavier Musketeers will look to avoid an upset as they host the Seton Hall Pirates on Saturday, January 23rd, with this NCAA basketball game being shown on FSN. The Xavier Musketeers are 16-1 straight up and 12-5 against the spread. They will be favored at home, while the Seton Hall Pirates come in at 13-4 straight up and 9-6-1 against the spread. The teams split their two meetings last season, with each team winning at home. Xavier has looked really good so far this season, as they were 16-1 in their first 17 games and 4-1 in the Big East. On the other side, the Seton Hall Pirates were 13-4 in their first 17 games and 3-2 in the conference. Taking a look at the betting numbers and statistics, the Pirates have won and covered 3 of the last 5 meetings in this series, with 4 of the 5 going under the total. The Musketeers have won the previous 2 games at home in this series, but they are just 1-1 against the spread. For our pick and prediction and Get More Sports, we'll take the points with Seton Hall and play the game over the total.